we take the gopis' example of searching for Krishna, not giving up, although they're desperate, they're mad. Shukamuni says, he says they're vibram, bewildered, confused. Then he says, vibram, then he says, pramad. Pramad, very, very intoxicated, they're mad, totally mad. Then he says, unmad, and this is Mahabhav. They're totally exasperated. Where is Krishna? Even they're telling the trees, oh Krishna, they're saying, Krishna, have you seen Krishna? Revealing the name of their paramour. So first, because are we even like that? The gopis are showing first the gopis are desperate. They've become desperate to see and meet and serve Krishna. It's a nice point because they're not desperate for themselves. They're not desperate or mad. I have to find Krishna. I'm so lusty, or I want to enjoy him, or I need to be with him. They're not thinking that. They're desperate. They're desperate to serve Krishna. We have to find Krishna. We have to keep searching and searching because their whole existence is based on pleasing and satisfying Krishna, like every devotee. Hari Toshan, Krishna Toshan. So the satisfaction and pleasure and happiness of Krishna is the very life breath of a devotee. So the gopis are desperate not for their own peace of mind, or desperate for their own comfort, or desperate for their own happiness, which we often become. You and I were very desperate to get just the right place, and just the right arrangements, and just the right food, and we desperately try to do all of that. And the gopis don't care about the food, and they don't care about the clothing, and they don't care about the families, or their name, or shame, or fame. They're desperate to find Krishna so they can offer themselves for his pleasure and serve him, because there's no one more pleasing or satisfying to Krishna than being with the gopis, actually. Their seva.